All right, we're back. Today I've got this 100% original basket. It's also a bassinet. There's George in there. It looks pretty happy from this side. It looks a little bummed out from over here. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to fold it with George on the inside. This is the casual origami channel, so we take my time here, I do, and you can fold right along. Probably won't even have to adjust the speed because I am not that fast of an origami folder. I try to make sure everyone knows how to make the folds. If you're a regular follower of the channel, you saw this very cool box. It's like a jewelry gift box or a gift box or a storage box. I mean, it's this thing is really nice. I'm really happy with it. You can put a fake diamond stud earring, or if you lost an earring, you can put it in there, your other one that you still have. It's awesome, man. This is my favorite little gift container now. And we're going to make this, it's a little bit different. This is the third one. The first prototype I finally threw away. At first it was like a little ghoul head. And then I had the, I was going to do it on Halloween, but I forgot about it. Then I had the idea to make it into a basket, which I did on that one, but it didn't have enough paper to lock the handle together. And then I made another prototype. This is Proto 2, and it came out really nice. And we're going to try to do it exactly like this one. So the handle's curved. It's super sturdy. You can put a lot of dollar coins in here, or anything else you want, or you can give it to somebody that just had a newborn baby George. Bassinet. It's just like a bassinet. It's going to look a little bit better than this because I took a lot of shortcuts. And this is take 2. So here's the brand new bills. And we're on 95. If you're watching the channel, see 96 is right here. And at 28 minutes in, I realized this is how you fold it if you want the "In God We Trust" on the inside. 28 minutes into it. Now, I don't really want to talk about who's subscribers or not, but subscribers are members to the channel. And I teach you a lot about folding the dollar. It's a lot different than paper. The thing is, the people that are watching the videos right now are a very select few group that got in early on the channel. And you have the ability to help shape the channel, influence it, and I'll decide. But if you give me the information, I opened up the discussion tab on the home page, and I know a lot about a lot of things. So try me out on any question. What the heck on that tab? But as far as on the videos, if you have any trouble folding them, I'll do my best to help you out. And every once in a while I do make a mistake in a video and post the video anyway. And then right in the description, the very first line will be a correction. So on this box, for example, there's a slight mistake on the bottom. The very first fold, when you're folding the side of the bill in, I show it on the wrong side. So do the other side of the dollar. for your very first fold. And then when you make the bottom, it'll come out just like this one. Whereas the other one shows the border right here. And it looks way better without the border there. Okay, so I'm fixing to start the video, but how do you use YouTube? That's what I want to know. See, the way I use it, I subscribe to all the channels where I like their content. And then I go on my subscription page, and then I add to watch later of the videos I want to check out. And then, see, my videos, some of them are really long. It keeps track where you left off. Not every single time, but most of the time. And then you can come back and watch the rest of the video later. Because this is going to be a long video. I'm going to show it where it's going to be fairly easy to fold. But there's a lot of folds to make this very cool, unique basket. And you're not going to find this anywhere else unless they copy my work, which if you see people copying my work, I would appreciate a heads up with a link. Yeah, I would really appreciate that, because when you get to 1,000 subscribers, you get extra features on YouTube, and then I might be able to do something about it. Like several of my videos have been copied, and if we just did that on this channel, then I could make a video in 15 minutes and upload it, and who cares, because you can find it somewhere else. These are original money origami here, and so the people that have been here the whole time, sorry you had to hear all that, I guess. I don't know, but I'd really appreciate your input on things. I might try to promote a video. And I wonder which one is really the coolest to try and promote, because you can only do one video per fee, which I don't know how much it is, but I think you can promote it for a little bit cheap. So I might try that on one. And since I have a lot of free time on my hands, I'm going to make a lot of videos coming up. As you've already seen, there's starting to be more and more. And they're totally original, really. There's nowhere else is this cool box. It was a bottom on Sweet Paper's channel to a cool box top, which I'm going to do something with that, but it's going to be really difficult to do what I want to do with this pattern. And it'll be amazing. It'll blow you away, and you don't want to miss it. So the problem is, if I already had 1,000 subscribers, I could go full time on this channel right now. And then you could have awesome content many times a week. I have tons of ideas and projects that are started. Just like Jeremy Schaefer, he keeps them all in a bag. Well, they're scattered all over here. And some are in a bag. I got a real cool way I'm going to share how to transport and display your origami, your money origami. It's really made for money origami because, it's a little bit smaller. It's really unique. They make great gifts. And if you give a gift in a box like this, and the box is the gift too. And it only costs you $4 to make this box. That little stud thing is $2. They have them at the checkouts at convenience stores and stuff. And they're going to keep this forever, almost. Maybe forever. As long as they're around. I mean, they know who gave it to them too. So it's not gifts that get forgotten about. These are awesome. And so that's why, even though I already wasted 28 minutes trying to make a tutorial on this basket, I'm going to make another one just for this channel. This is super cool. And, it took most of the day today to come up with the fold pattern. Yeah, I had an original concept, and then I folded that, and it was cruddy, but it worked out. And then, and it evolved into the basket. And then this one was pretty cool. I took it apart, put put it back together many times to determine how to fold each part. And that still did not give me the fold pattern to share on the video, so that you can actually fold it with a dollar without drawing or marking or scoring. You know, sometimes the scoring tool probably would be cool, but then you have to get out a straight edge and measure things and stuff. And I want you to just be able to sit back, relax, and fold it. And that's what we're going to do in this video. In fact, I should probably just start the video over. Hey, but no, let's just keep going on, because I really don't care how long they take. And so something else it does, it's like a parachute. If you drop it straight down like this, it floats down in the air just like that. It's pretty cool. And it lands. You might hit slow speed right now and then watch it land. So it's really cool. The paper one does it too, and it lands handle side down. Yeah, so after burning 28 minutes and all that on this other one, I mean, I'm going to probably fold it up, and it's going to have the "In God We Trust" on the inside. But I had to reverse a couple of folds, and then I decided to scrap the video. So what I have is I have a blooper playlist, and in the title of the video, I put where to skip to in the video to see when I found out I was in trouble making the video. And it's really a bummer, and I don't expect much views on that or anything, but and they're not listed either. So but down in my description section on all the videos lately for quite a while now, I have a link to a search on the web that I set up, and it displays all my, well, it doesn't do them all, but tons of them in a really pretty big way to look at all the, all the models that are listed. It shows them pretty big and nice. It's easier to look at them than on YouTube, even though on the videos tab on the homepage you can pull them up pretty good. So 96 isn't skipped, it's right here. And so this video is 2 bills. And we'll get on with it in just a minute. I'm going to pause a lot in the video, and then when it comes back, it changes the focus and the brightness. So you're just going to have to deal with that, because, if I start editing the videos, it takes even longer. And this video is really a full day project. Believe it or not, that's how much work goes into these. Ask Jeremy. I've asked him before. I've asked some other people. And, a 6-minute video took a full day's work. And that's like 12 hours, really, on these behind the scenes to make videos on YouTube. And that's without even polishing mine up. This one's taken a whole day. And that's just not 8 hours. All right, so the last of the beef here, So you're getting a lot of quality by watching my channel. I teach you all the techniques that I've been learning. If you go back and look at my first video, which, I don't really care if you watch it or not, but, they were pretty cruddy, and they're getting better and better and better. And the models are getting cooler. And no one else has this if you fold it. You're the only one besides me and whoever watches this. So right now, it's slim pickings. All right, I'll tell you what, I'll save everybody 15 minutes of time, and I'll just stop the recording here and make it a prelude video to the basket Baby George Bassinet parachute. All right, we'll see you on the next one, really, where I'll start off with the tutorial.